How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. Today we are working on the NC Miata, which I know a lot of you are probably excited about. It is a small mod, but we're doing some things to the interior. We've done a lot of things to the exterior recently, from the Odula spoiler to the front side markers, the fender vents, carbon fiber hardtop, all that stuff. We've done a ton of exterior stuff, and it's time to get going on the interior. Because, you know, with the outside, I've always had a little bit of a vision, but with the interior, I sort of had a vision, and it was kind of like race car. Like, I deleted the radio, we've got the big roll bar in it and everything, but part of me wants to style it up a little bit. Like, the outside of the car, the exterior is very styled, you know, from the spoiler to the rear diffuser, the tow hooks, wheels, side splitters. It's very styled in a certain way. But the interior, while amazing, like the NC Miata's interior is one of my favorites. It's just so simple. It could use a little bit of, I don't know, flair, I guess.
We need to talk about your flair.
If you are new to the channel, this is the interior of my NC Miata. We have the Cypher steering wheel, the Tomei shift knob, the Redline or eBay shift boot, e-brake boot. We did the custom radio delete panel. We have the Moss Miata Roadster floor mats with the LED under dash lights. These come on when the door opens. The Corbeau Forza seat. We have the auto dimming mirror, the Blackbird Fabworks GT3 roll bar with the carpeted trunk. We also have the For Miata with Love gauge pods with gauges in there. Other than that, that's pretty much it, short of maybe some pedals here and there for the, you know, gas brakes, things like that. I have the RX-8 pedals, rev limiter, gauge faces, things like that. It's pretty simple. What we're gonna be working on is adding a little bit of flair.
Well, like Brian, for example, has 37 pieces of flair on today.
And replacing these carpets. So what I've picked up is from P2M, or Phase 2 Motorsports. Now I have a one item from them, which is the front steering knuckle. No, I can't remember exactly what it's called, but up here in the corner you can check that video out. I don't know the name of the product, but I have very much enjoyed it. It's the bump steer correction kit from them. It's been great. So they also have interior parts, believe it or not, because they have a set of black and gray / silver checkered floor mats for the NC Miata. And it's not super wild or out there or anything, but it was really cool. And you know, I'm a fan of patterns and things like that. So when I saw these, I knew they've been out there, but I just never thought to order them. But I decided to go ahead and pick some up, and they're really nice quality. I mean, nice thick carpeting. They've got a like billet or plastic. Yeah, it's like a plastic, but it looks metal. Got their little logo in the bottom there. And they smell nice and new, like fresh carpet. They've got the little anchors for the driver's side. And yeah, so we're gonna throw these in. I think they're gonna look super cool, because most of the Miata interior is like the silver and black. So this little gray and silver is gonna work out really well. I think it's gonna look really cool and add a little bit of a flair.
Some people choose to wear more, and we encourage that, okay?
To an otherwise just all black interior. So, not really much to do to install these. We're just gonna do a before and after. I will take the old floor mats out and we'll do a quick comparison, and then we'll throw these ones in, finish this video up, and yeah, Miata mods. Super cool. These are, I mean, surprisingly nice for a company that makes like suspension components. They've got the, you know, the grippy spikes on the back of the carpet and everything, and they're really nice. They feel really thick and durable, so these should be cool. Let's do a comparison. Floor mats are out. These are the Moss Miata Roadster style floor mats. They're like kind of an OEM replacement. The difference is that these ones are kind of the regular fabric weave. They have the Roadster logo embossed, or I don't know, whatever. You know what I mean. It is in the side of the floor mat. They also have this nice heel plate. You can see it's kind of worn down right here from where my heel sits, but it'll certainly last a lot longer than the OEM. The P2M ones have the same little rings, the eyelets for the anchors in the front. Same shape, pretty much exact same shape. Obviously a different design, same size. The P2M ones, you can feel that they're a little bit thinner. Not a huge deal, but the Miata ones are definitely thicker. They've got this like faux leather wraparound edging. The P2M has a fabric one. It's more of like a nylon woven fabric that goes along the edge instead of like a faux leather. So these were definitely cheaper though. I think the Miata ones, if I can remember correctly, were like 120. P2M shipped to my door was about 90. These look cooler, different fabric weave. The weave feels thick. It feels nice and thick, so I think it'll be, you know, durable enough. The little, I don't know what they're called, but you can see the little weave is a lot thicker than the small little, you know, Miata ones. And same thing for the passenger side, same shape and everything, but my notes still stand. So there's the difference. And on camera, the gray checker looks a lot lighter. In person, it's a little bit darker. I think once we put it in the car, it'll definitely look a little bit darker on the black interior. Let's go ahead and put these in, and then we'll film some beauty shots and close with our final thoughts. I think these are gonna look really cool. It's not something that I thought I would order, but I was thinking about it, and I wanna make the interior more unique, just like how unique the car is, and I think this is gonna help us along the way. As simple as this looks, I really like it. It does add a little bit of flair, kind of some uniqueness to the interior. I'll have to get used to it a little bit, but I mean, I think it looks pretty good. The quality is good. It fits really well. Passenger side was maybe a little bit bigger than the Moss ones. You can see it kind of overlaps onto the seat rails there, but otherwise really nothing to complain about. That's nitpicking. Inside, they feel good. On the feet, look good. Driver's side looks nice with the pedals. That actually looks pretty cool. Just kind of adds a little bit of fun. It's kind of like the GTI on the S models have the plaid interior. It's just kind of a fun little feature. So like I said, I'm sort of thinking about adding in a radio again. I really liked the radio delete, but you know, I don't know. Kind of want to go back. That was the nice thing, is this was all made with scrap and I didn't really have to spend any money on this. So putting in a new radio, you know, it's fine. I might throw in a new radio. The gauges, these might be replaced. I still need to replace them. I'm gonna keep the gauge pods, but I need to put in new gauges in general, ones that fit a little bit better. Steering wheel is still good. I do like the Cypher steering wheel. It's really nice. Gauge faces are still good. Now we've got the Checkerboard floor mats, which is awesome. So super happy with these. It's cool. I'm into it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching. Simple video, easy video, nothing too big today. But it's mods, and I film everything on these cars, whether it's just wheel spacers or these floor mats. I film everything. Got lots of little things to do to both of the cars still. We're in the middle of the move, so working on that. I'm gonna try to make a video where I do like all the little things, from the window switches for the GTI to the side markers for the Miata, just all sorts of little things that I need to get done. But this is cool, I'm into it, excited. Let me know what you guys think. Again, these are P2M Phase 2 Motorsports. You can pick them up on their website. I like them, good quality, great fitment for an aftermarket product, and these will probably stick around for a little while. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.